Namaskar. Welcome to another session of Wisdom Tales at Vedika Online. Today we will discuss the story of two brothers. A brother who was so powerful that he started insulting and humiliating his younger brother. The story is about Vali and Sugriv. Hanuman one day visited Sugriva at Rishimukha mountain. He saw Sugriva was shivering in fear. He was trembling like a leaf in the wind. Hanuman was surprised. Why was Sugriva so tensed? He asked Sugriva, what is it? Why is it that you are in so much of fear? Sugriva did not answer. He just hung his head in shame. Hanuman looked around. He saw that Sugriva's powerfully built Vanara friends were around. He turned to them and asked him, "Oh, my friends, why is Sugriva so much in fear?" Even they did not answer his question. Hanuman was surprised. And while this conversation was going on, suddenly there was a sound, quack! And he saw Sugriva lying on the ground, holding his head in pain. And his friends suddenly rushed to bring him up. Hanuman was just all the more flabbergasted, surprised beyond belief. What is this? What just happened? Why is Sugriva lying on the ground, and why are these friends just picking him up without an explanation? After Sugriva had settled down, Hanuman went and approached Sugriva again. He said, "Sugriva, please tell me, what is the reason? What just happened?" Sugriva told him the story of what just happened. Vali, after throwing him out of the kingdom of Kishkinda and kidnapping his wife, Vali wanted to kill Sugriva. Sugriva finally found a place at Rishimukha mountain because Vali had a curse from Matanga Rishi that any time he steps on this mountain, his head would crack into 1,000 pieces. Therefore, Sugriva took shelter of this mountain to stay. But Vali found a way to insult and humiliate Sugriva even here in the Rishimukha mountain. Every day when Vali would go to the different oceans to pay his oblations, he would make sure that he is flying over Rishimukha mountain and land a kick on Sugriva's head before he went ahead. While Sugriva was explaining this, suddenly Sugriva started trembling again. He said, it's time. And just as he was expecting, there was another sound, crack! And he was hit again by a kick from Vali. Hanuman understood the seriousness of this whole thing. Sugriva got up and said, "Hanuman, though I know the exact time when Vali is going to hit me, I can't do anything about it to protect myself. Neither can my friends who can protect me from this kick. Because Vali is very powerful. His power and speed is just amazing. Nobody in Kishkinda can match his power. Therefore, I have resigned to this fate." The conversation as it was happening, Sugriva started trembling again. Hanuman realized that Vali is going to kick Sugriva again. This time, Hanuman was ready. Hanuman, watching the sky, saw Vali zooming in with full speed and transferring all his energies into his feet to kick Sugriva on his head. And just about when he was about to kick Sugriva, Hanuman caught Vali's feet with his one hand. Sugriva, expecting a kick any time, was just waiting. But when it did not happen, he opened his eyes and he saw a very beautiful sight. He saw the 2 feet of Vali dangling in the grip of Hanuman. Vali, on the other side, was surprised at the audacity of this monkey who was holding his feet. Nobody in his entire lifetime had ever challenged Wali like that, knowing Wali to be very powerful. Wali started to use his force to release himself from Hanuman's grip, but nothing happened. Hanuman intensified his grip. Wali was getting very, very annoyed. He started using his full force to free himself from the grip of Hanuman. Hanuman just held on to the feet, and Wali was not able to release himself. Suddenly, Wali realized a strange thing happening. He saw that Hanuman was dragging Wali's feet towards the ground. Wali started trembling. He understood the intention of Hanuman. Sugriva and the other monkeys were very happy and they were dancing up in joy, saying, "Yes, get him down, let him touch this Rishimukha mountain." Look at the turn of events. A few minutes back, it was Sugriva who was trembling in fear, and now Wali is trembling in fear for his dear life. Hanuman started pulling Wali's feet towards the ground. Wali was using all his powers to free himself. Did not happen. Finally, Wali started pleading with Hanuman, "Oh Hanuman, please release me. I promise you I will never ever come to Rishimukha mountain or bother Sugriva. Please, please, please." He started pleading. Looking at the pitiful pleas of Wali, Hanuman released him. After that, Wali never ever returned to Rishimukha mountain. What happens is, when we have our power, we look at the weakness of others and try to take them at the spot where they are very weak. But it's only a matter of time that the weakness that we think is of others will turn out to be our weakness. Wali knew that Sugriva cannot defend himself, and his act of kicking Sugriva became the cause of his misery later on. He could have lost his life in this endeavor. Thank you very much. See you again for another interesting session of Wisdom Tales next week. Namaskar.